Hello, gorgeous family. How you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be showing us this remedy, how to get rid of pigmentation. This remedy is effective. Keep watching. Thank you. The first thing we are going to need here is potato. I'm going to be grating this potato. We are going to be using the potato juice. I'm going to sip on the potato juice. This is exactly what we want. That's it. Then our next ingredient is aloe vera. I'm going to be adding a bit of it. Adding a bit of it into our potato juice. Then I'm going to be mixing them together. Mix it very well. Lovelies, this remedy is effective. It's super effective. Beauty tip, how to get rid of pigmentation. This is number one. This is it. You apply it on your face. This is exactly what we want. You apply it on your face. You use your hands. You can use your brush. You can use this. Apply it on your face. Yeah. Apply it like this on your face. Then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off. Please use this remedy 2-3 times a week and you get a perfect result. Thank you and God bless you. This remedy is effective. It's effective. This is our number 2, the second tip of getting rid of pigmentation. We are going to be using potato juice. I'm going to be peeling the potato. We are going to be using the juice. Here is our potato. We are going to be using the potato juice. We are going to be using our rose flour. And we are going to be using our rose water. Please, if you don't have rose water, please, you can use water. Now I'm going to be blending the the potato. We are going to be using the potato juice. Potato brightens the skin. Potato helps in removing edges. Potato is very beneficial to our skin. Potato juice, potato paste. Potato is very beneficial. So right now I'm going to be taking out bringing out tomato paste. The potato juice. That's what we need. Potato juice. You can use this juice for brightening. The benefit of potato to our skin is superb. You can use it as anti-aging to get rid of dark spots. It has so many benefits. Potato has so many benefits to our skin. So we are going to be using the potato juice. Then next we need is the rice flour. I'm going to be using 1 spoon of rice flour. Then what we are going to use next is going to be the rose water. I'm going to mix this very well. I'm going to add the rose water. Depends on the texture you want. If you want it thicker, it's okay. One spoon. Then mix it together. Please, again, if you don't have rose water, you can use ordinary water. If you want it thicker, you can add more rose flour to it. This is exactly what we need, guys. Lovely, this is exactly what we need. Put this in. This is exactly what we want, what we need. Please, you can use your hands, you can use anything. You can use your hands, you can use brush if you have. If you won't have, you can use this, but I'm going to be using this to show us how to apply it. Just take a bit of it. Remember, put it on your skin, then you scrub. You see it? This is a facial scrub. Very effective, guys. Very effective. Very effective. You scrub it. Just scrub it. Please, you scrub it. You scrub it. You scrub it. Then you leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. You wash it off. Please, guys, do this 2 to 3 times a week. Then you get the results. Thank you for watching. Look at it. Thank you for watching. Nice one. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. Press that notification button. Whenever I upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you guys. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you for your support. Please try this remedy. It's effective. Thank you. Bye.